I've searched the sky for something true, a spark of meaning breaking through. The road is long, but I still climb. Each doubt a verse, each hope a rhyme. I've lost my voice in endless prayers and found it in the silent stares. The answers come when I let go. The fire inside begins to grow. The journey home was never far. It lived within, beneath the sky.